Dog. The dog is barking. Cat. The cat is sleeping. Rabbit. The rabbit eats a carrot. Hamster. The hamster is running. Parrot. The parrot is talking. Goldfish. The goldfish swims in the bowl. Turtle. The turtle walks slowly. Chicken. The chicken eats corn. Duck. The duck is swimming.
Stick down this duck.
Pig. The pig is hungry. Cow. The cow eats grass. Buffalo. The buffalo likes water. Sheep. The sheep has soft wool. Goat. The goat is climbing. Horse. The horse runs fast. Donkey. The donkey has big ears. Goose. The goose is chasing. Mouse. The mouse eats cheese. Bee. The bee likes flowers. Butterfly. The butterfly is flying. Ant. The ant carries food. Spider. The spider makes a web. Snail. The snail moves slowly. Frog. The frog is jumping. Dragonfly. The dragonfly flies low. Grasshopper. The grasshopper is green. Cricket. The cricket is singing. Mosquito. The mosquito bites. Fly. The fly is annoying. Worm. The worm is in the soil. Ladybug. The ladybug is red. Lizard. The lizard is on the wall. Pigeon. The pigeon flies high. Sparrow. The sparrow is small. Owl. The owl wakes up at night. Crow. The crow is black. Stork. The stork stands on one leg. Swan. The swan is beautiful. Peacock. The peacock shows its tail. Fish. The fish is swimming. Crab. The crab walks sideways. Shrimp. The shrimp is jumping. Snake. The snake is long. Squirrel. The squirrel climbs trees. Bat. The bat flies at night. Monkey. The monkey likes bananas. Bear. The bear is big. Elephant. The elephant has a long nose. Deer. The deer is shy. Fox. The fox is clever. And that's our list of 50 animal words and sentences. How did you do? What percentage of these words did you already know? 50%? 80%? If you haven't memorized them all yet, don't worry. Just watch this video again to practice until you master them. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.